fix and solve your WhatsApp forward problem. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix and solve your WhatsApp forward problem. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to check out that your WhatsApp cache is clear. For that you have to go in your phone settings, and from here you have to go in the general, and if you are in the Android you have to go in your app management settings, and from here you have to simply go in your iPhone storage and you just have to find out the option of your WhatsApp. So once you find it, you just have to click on it, and as you can see that here is the option of the offload app. You have to click on it. Now basically by offloading your WhatsApp, it will delete the app but keep all of its documents and the data, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your WhatsApp, and after that you just have to go back and go in your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and you just have to go in the search and simply search for your WhatsApp. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated, and if it is not, you have to update it. And after updating your WhatsApp, you have to go back and open up your WhatsApp, and here you have to select the message or the picture or anything that you want to forward, and just have to select it, and as you can see that here is the option of the forward. You just have to click on it and forward it to anyone that you want. So this is how you can fix and solve your WhatsApp forward problem. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.